जय हो जय हो जय हो जय हो जय हो जय हो विघ्नहर्ता भगवान गणेश भगवान की जय. Ladies and gentlemen, one more day, one more life, and one more year. Kashmir, Kashmir once again, and it is my day, it is my year, and it's my beginning, and that of the whole of the world and my community Kashmiri Pandits. 19 March 2026. Happy Navre and Omkar. This is my almanac. This is my Bible. This is my calendar. This is my Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and this is my Ramayan. It is for the new year. Do and do nots for the new year, for the whole year 2026 till the next March 2027. And this is my, ladies and gentlemen, Kashmirian speaking in Kashmiri. You should ask Pansas Akhad Zuvari, Saptarishi Pansas Akhad Zuvari. To us today is 5,000. I am entering 5,102 years. On this very happy day and moment of 19th March 2026, ladies and gentlemen, this is Vijeshwar Panchang 2026, and then this just see it is Nishkasan means my exile and my exodus and my genocide in my homeland Kashmir, that I'm entering 37th year. The way from 1990 we have been counting Kashmiri Pandits all over the world have been counting their pain and their agony and their exile in 37th year now. Same way we have been counting from day one, from the day of Kashyap Rishi won Kashmir. Kashmiri Pandits started their counting of their ethos and culture and heritage on day one, and now we have come to 5,102 years till, and it will go till eternity, no stoppage. And then there are written history and written Pandulapi means that huge documentation for having our existence for 5,102 years in the Kalhans Raj Tarangni also, and then so many other Lilmat Puran and all these diving deeper there. And it is for the rest of India, it is 2083 Vikrami year, but for me and Kashmiri Pandits this is the 5,102 years. And ladies and gentlemen, today in the beginning, like my mother Shanta Kher did for the family all, and my grandmother Dhanavati Kher used to do in Kashmir, that lay the platter thal chu sajaun pur thal chu sajaun, and then in the morning on the first look at dawn, means that before seeing anything it used to be covered, and then the mother and the grandmother used to go around all the family members and show them. I know that my mother used to knock me and wake me up and then show me the thal usme subnas hawan. And then what is Navre? What are all the things there, ladies and gentlemen? Let's just see that this is currency. Previously it used to be coin, 1 rupee, then 10 rupees, then 50 rupees, then 100 rupees, and then now it has gone because of the escalation, it has gone to 500 rupees. You know that in Navroz for Iran, Persia, for the last 7,500 years it is being known as Navroz, and their new year also starts around this time. And then, ladies and gentlemen, there are around 13 to 14 items in this very important thal, very important platter. And then they if we see that walnut is doon chasan, that's so tarfasan, there are 4 corners, 1 2 3 4 corners of this walnut stands for 4 corners of the world and the 4 corners of the universe and the 4 Vedas. Veds have come straight away from the heavens, for the India, for the Hindus, for the Sanatan, and these are the four Vedas: Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajurveda, and the fourth Ved is also there: Yajurved, Samved, Rigved, and then just digging deeper, and then this is the cooked rice, this is the raw rice, this is the namak salt, this is the curd, this is the milk, this is the way means that flowers, and this is the dt jai ho bhagwan bhagwan Vignaharta Bhagwan Vignaharta Bhagwan Ganesh Bhagwan ji ki jai, Ganpat Maharajun jai jaikar. And then, ladies and gentlemen, going again to the point that and then sort cha asan yatman sort, and then doon is this is also there. This is add-ons. This is this this badam mean that yeah, badam, and then the cooked. Now we are very fast, you know that. So is a ready-made this bread. Otherwise, but it is atta bread. It is a healthy bread, and then this. Otherwise there used to be soto saita asan. There used to be a cooked this chapati. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I have shown you. And then the most important is this almanac and the mirror. Mirror is the reflection of the truth. It reflects your all. It is the mirror, is the index of mind and the index of insight. So anytime we need to see what is we are doing and how we are looking inside and out, so we need to also see the mirror, ladies. In short, ladies and gentlemen, happy Navre Mubarak, Sarni button the Sarni all over the world. Enjoy this new year. This is 5102 years we are entering, 5102 Saptarishi. That's new year starting from this day. Navre means new, and Re means flame. Reh gai, reh chukashir padan vanan ki narasan. Reh means that new exuberance, new hope, new life, new year. And then the spring. Spring means Baman. Baman means my son's name also Baman. It means spring. It means blossoming. It means that flowers coming in the meadows of the, and then also in botanical garden in this Kashmir and elsewhere. It comes during this time only. And now we leave the lethargy and the previous year winter behind, and we enter the new year, and it is our 5102nd year. Kashmiri heritage, Kashmiri culture, Kashmiri ritual, Kashmiri heirloom, Kashmiri roots, and Kashmiri Padati, Kashmiri lifestyle. We will never forget this Navre till times immemorial, because it is a time tested for the last 5102 years for Kashmiri Pandits, and it will go in perpetuity, and it will go forever. It will go till eternity, because ladies and gentlemen, at our back and on our this head, in every home there is this Panchang almanac. This has kept our continuity in life and continuity in home for do and do nots all these years, ladies and gentlemen, for 5102 years and counting. And today is 19th March 2026, and this is the day of Thal Vuchun. And we one word for this great man, great person, Vijeshwar Aftab Sharma ji, 1887 to October 1966. he has lived for this time, and then he has been really a guru and a divine soul for the Kashmiri Pandits, who is the author and the man behind this almanac of and Panchang of Kashmiri Pandits.